NotebookLM doesn't have a direct download button, but there's a quick way to export your notes in 2 different ways and save them in whatever format you need. Here's how. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the right side of your screen. That's the Studio panel. This is where all your AI-generated notes, study guides, timelines, and briefing reports live, kept entirely separate from your uploaded source documents. Scroll through the panel and find the specific note or study guide you want to download to your local drive. Hover over the item and click the 3-dot icon located next to the note title to open the Options menu. From that drop-down menu, select Export to Docs because it is natively integrated with the Google Workspace ecosystem. NotebookLM automatically creates a new Google Doc with your note, saves it directly to your main Google Drive root folder, and opens it in a new tab. From this new tab, go to the top menu bar, click File, then hover over Download, and pick your preferred offline format. Choose PDF if you want to share a locked layout with others, Word if you need to edit it further offline, EPUB for e-readers, or Markdown if you're working with a linked database text editor like Obsidian or Notion. The file downloads straight to your computer's local downloads folder. Now, if you are working on a massive research project and want to grab multiple notes at once instead of exporting them manually one by one, there's a third-party shortcut for that. Open a new tab and go to the official Google Chrome web store. In the search bar at the top, search for the extension called Cortex NotebookLM. Click the blue Add to Chrome button located on the right side of the page. Click Add Extension on the pop-up warning window, then wait a few seconds for it to safely install into your browser. Then you'll be prompted to sign in to authenticate the tool. Sign in using the exact same Google account you use on NotebookLM, then allow access so the extension has permission to read your project data. Go back to the NotebookLM homepage. You may need to hit refresh if your projects don't immediately load. Now open the notebook you want. From here, you will now see a brand new export button injected at the top right of your screen. Click it to open the bulk export menu. By default, everything might be selected, so check only the sources and notes you actually want to download and uncheck the ones you don't want to export. Then choose your preferred export format from the drop-down, deciding between Markdown for note-taking apps, plain text for simple reading, or PDF for standard document sharing. Then finally, click Download, select it to batch, save everything into one neat zip folder on your hard drive. And that's exactly how you download your research notes from NotebookLM, either safely one at a time straight to Google Docs using native features, or all at once using a bulk export extension. It is incredibly simple once you know exactly where to look. If you found this AI workflow tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.